Hi, hope everyone had a good trading day. I just want to share and give an update on my Robinhood portfolio. I just want to be as transparent as I can with this account, and I will be sharing my updates with you guys every day and try to see if we can grow this to $100,000. But before I continue on,
Let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only.
I also started a Discord Patreon group where I'm trying to find like-minded people to share ideas and find the next hottest stocks, as well as share my knowledge that I have learned throughout my 2 years of trading. I have made a lot of mistakes and lost a lot of money in my first year. So if you guys are interested, check out my link down below. So today I'm up 9%. If we take a look at the 1 week chart, it's up 27%. 1 month, I'm down 29%. 1 year, it's up 90%, and all-time high 90%. So I did start this Robinhood account last year. So my goal with this is to make $100,000 by the end of this year. I want to be able to place trades that's not going to hurt my accounts. So I do want to buy penny stocks because that's where the real money is. But with penny stocks, we really have to be careful on the ones that we do get into. So I do have some penny stocks here that I will show you right now. I have Sundial. I have 1,600 shares. I am still down on this stock here. I'm down $149. And the reason I'm not worried about Sundial is because they do have a lot of growth potential. And the Biden administration is planning to decriminalize marijuana this year, which will definitely drive Sundial's price up. And today they announced they will work with SAF to build Sunstream Bancorp. And they will focus on making cannabis-related debt and equity investments in Canada and international markets. And Sundial was able to raise millions of dollars in the recent months. This money will definitely help Sundial expand their company. So the next stock is Lukewarm Technology. I do have 1,800 shares and I am still down $400. So this stock was trading below $1 just a few days ago because they were going to get delisted this month, but that has been pushed to May now. So there is still a possibility that they can get delisted. And the reason I bought this stock was because they are getting a lot of exposure to the EV markets. They announced that it would partner with an EV maker, Beijing New Energy Mobile. I do plan on selling my position once it hits $2 or more, just because there is still a possibility that this stock can get delisted. So let's take a look at what else I have under stocks. AMC, amazing gains this week. So I am up on my shares $1,200. And then I have 6 contracts. If we take a look, I am selling 1 cover call. Cover calls are essentially setting a sell limit. I have another cover call. So cover calls, I was able to collect a premium, $24 on one and $34 on another, just from holding onto your shares. So guys, if you have at least 100 shares of the underlying stock, it does offer options. You can also sell cover calls to generate extra income. And then these are leap calls. So instead of receiving the premium, I am actually paying a premium now. And I got these calls back in December. So I was able to make at least $10,000 on 7 contracts. I bought 10 contracts, I sold 7. And right now, my 3 contracts are up $3,000. But I do plan on holding these a little bit longer. They do expire on January 21, 2022. And then I have one that expires in 2023. So if you guys are planning to buy 100 shares, but you don't want to spend the money, what you can do is buy a leap call that has a delta of 0.8 and above. And with these leap calls, actually, you can sell cover calls on them. So that's what I'm going to do tomorrow as well. It's called Poor Man's Cover Calls. And then we have Backstarts, 500 shares, Nikola. And then now we're going to go to options. So I like selling options. It's the opposite of cover calls. It's cash secure puts. So instead of setting a sell limit, you're setting a buy limit. And when you set a buy limit, you usually want to get the stock below where it's trading at. This is exactly the same thing. So for SENS, when I sold this, SENS was above $3. And it's still trading above $3 right now. Before it was trading below $3, but now it's at $3.18. And I was able to collect a $42 premium. So most of these are cash secure puts. This is a cover call on BlackBerry. I collected $12. It's not much, but $12 adds up very quickly if you do it weekly, monthly. And then Microvision, I was able to collect a small premium on this, $50. And most of these expire this Friday. So after this Friday, if they expire worthless, the collateral will be released back to me. I'm going to use that money to sell for next month's or next week's cash secure puts. I have Nano Dimension. Look at this. I was able to collect $158 and look at my strike price at $12.50. So when I sold this, it was above $12.50. The stock was trading about $12.50 and now it's trading at $11.50. I am very bullish on Dimension, and if I do get a sign, meaning I have to buy 100 shares at $12.50, which is fine because now my break even is at $10.92. So as long as the stock is above $10.92, I will be profitable. Genius Brands, guys. I did mention the stock last week before it ran up, and I sold cash secure puts, able to collect $29 on one contract, and all you needed was $200 in collateral. Guys, this is easy money, and it's low risk. Genius is going up, and I do have price targets of at least $10 at the end of this year for Genius. And then we have some Sundial Calls. So these, I was only able to collect $8. They do expire March 26th. And then we have call options for SENS because I am very bullish. I'm up $80 on this. My break-even price is at $4.40. And this one expires October, so I'm not too worried. And then we have Nokia leap calls. So I have 40 leap calls. I know people have a lot more than me. I'm still down $2,300, but these expire in 2 years. I would hope that Nokia would be at least $10 or more by 2023. Here, I have a Palantir leap call that expires January 21, 2022. I paid $1,620 for this leap call. And this is in the money leap call. You can see it's $10 strike price. And the reason why I chose a deep in the money leap call is because of the delta. The delta is 0.94. So it's essentially buying 100 shares of Palantir without paying full price for the stock. So that's something you guys can consider. And that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys have any of these stocks in your portfolio. And let me know what you think of my portfolio. I do have $1,500 left in buying power. So if you guys have any suggestions on what I should buy, let me know in the comments down below. And do consider joining the Patreon Discord group.
I do share my updates with you guys.
Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4. So you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get one free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get one more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.